G'day crew and welcome back. Today I'm going to finish off the knife I started yesterday, so let's have a look what we've already done. Alright, so normally I'd forge it out a lot further than what I have, but it's just too hot. It's up to 38 degrees Celsius, mid-80s humidity, and it's just ridiculous. So I've set the grinder up on the back veranda, and I'm going to get it to the point where I can heat treat tomorrow, and hopefully this afternoon I can get started on the sheath for it. So.
And it's a bit shaky on the old camera.
Hi guys, so I'm at the point after about an hour of grinding where I'm relatively happy with the shape. I've got a bit of an edge there and I'd be happy to go to heat treat. Please be advised though, this video is not a how-to. I am honestly less than ordinary at any of this blacksmithing, knife making. I am too hot to heat treat this today. I'm probably going to be, it's supposed to be 35, 36 tomorrow and 38 on Monday. Tuesday is supposed to be a lot cooler, so I'm going to get the heat treat there, and I'm also going to straighten out this handle. You see it's got a little bit of a warp in it. I don't know if you can see that or not. So I'll get that sorted. But in the meantime, I'm going to make a sheath for it. So.
Here's the semi-finished product. Still got a heat treat and get that handle straight and then get an edge on there. Video will be a leather sheath, so tune in if that interests you. At the moment, I'm at 179 subscribers and almost 20,000 views, and I'm stoked. Thank you so much, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much.